Hey guys, this is Austin, and today on Broke vs. Pro, well, guess what? Mr. Pro over here is about to be just a little bit more broke, because this time, there's no more cheating involved because you have the same budget. Dude, you literally bought a PC. It's very simple. Who can build the best gaming system for $200 or less? I don't care if you get a PC, I don't care if you get a Game Boy Advance, it doesn't matter. But what matters is who can do the best job with an actual limited budget.
Do I get to use your leftover money?
No, what? No. In fact, you get bonus points if you spend less than the $200. AKA, I'm gonna try to do that. What are you doing?
I'm just appreciating the exclusive automotive partner of the Austin Evans YouTube channel.
Toyota is not sponsoring this video. You're not getting extra budget. Stop. Just chill, okay?
Okay, well, I don't know why I decided to drive then. Where are we going? You're going first.
My plan is very simple. I'm going to try to build the cheapest computer that I can find that can still play some games. So I'm thinking like a Core 2 Duo or potentially like a first generation Core, second generation Core, but something that is pretty easy to work on, something I can still get parts for, but also that will hopefully be very cheap. $200 is not a lot of money.
I'm gonna hit up my first spot. I thought of something.
I thought I was gonna go get my stuff first. Are you doing a PC as well?
Not necessarily.
Are you getting lunch right now?
There's an ulterior motive.
You know they don't sell Cool Ranch Doritos tacos anymore, right?
Really?
Yeah.
How are you doing today?
Hey, can I get whatever the box is for the Xbox One
What?
contest? Yeah, let me do that. Yeah, unsweet tea.
The f are you doing? You're trying to win an Xbox right now with your 2 boxes?
There's a winner every 10 minutes for an Xbox One. I actually don't know how to even enter.
Is there like a code in there or something?
Oh, maybe it's on the receipt. Or was it supposed to be a special box and then they just didn't give me the special box? Hold on, I'm gonna be right back.
Are you actually gonna go back through the drive-thru? Are you gonna go inside?
I'm gonna go inside and get the code.
Well,
Limited edition boxes are sold out.
so you just paid for your meal and you don't have an Xbox One X to win? What a great plan.
We'll just cut it in editing.
We're just cutting editing.
So my idea wasn't exactly going according to plan, but Austin's, his was working out.
We just got the hookup. So not only did they hook us up with pretty much everything we need, but they pretty much gave it to us for free.
You can literally take all of it, like, it's yours, so like, yeah, dude.
Dude, no.
No, we've literally had this stuff like sitting around, so like, it's all yours if you want.
That's cheating. The whole point is I'm making fun of you for cheating. I can't get stuff for free. No. I have to pay for everything. It's not.
I'll charge you $1 for everything.
For the purposes of this competition, we're going to assume the value of all of these components, which, based on a quick eBay search, is somewhere in the neighborhood of $140 for a Core 2 quad system with a 560 Ti. It's also including the SSD that we've got back at the office and a couple of other things. So 140 bucks, I've got myself what I think is a pretty cool system. So what exactly is your plan right now?
I need to go to more Taco Bells.
Are you serious? That's really your plan, is to go to more Taco Bells?
Look, have you ever played the lottery before?
Why don't you just get a normal Xbox? Use the money that you can spend to not cheat the rules. Isn't that a novel concept?
Can I revoke the budget that I spent on the lunch?
Yes, you can get your $12 back. That's an acceptable
Okay.
compromise.
Okay. I will do this legit.
What? That's unbelievable. I'm so proud of you. Good job, Ken. So, I have a lot of work to do. Now, I have not tested any of this hardware. Supposedly it's working. Oh, wait. I didn't realize I got another case with a giant hole in it. I gotta stop doing this. The first thing is, though, is that I'm just gonna strip all of this out. I don't need any of this right now, I don't think.
Whew. Okay.
Let's stand that up.
I am actually allergic to dust, so I'm gonna stand
excellent.
back here. Maybe you should just clean it.
Nope. I'm okay.
All right. Here goes nothing. There we go.
Hopefully this stock cooler will at least keep it running long enough to beat your stupid Xbox. There we go.
Oh.
I got it. It's good.
That
it's
also
good.
didn't sound good.
No, that's actually a good sound. I'm okay with
That's like popping your bone back into place when it
No,
disconnects.
no, it's fine. Now we've got a couple of options for DDR2. Now this is very much untested, so if this thing actually boots first try, I'll be shocked. So this is a grand total of, this will be 4 gigabytes of DDR2, which I think should be okay. So this is not audio. Is this the wrong I/O shield? This is the wrong I/O shield. It doesn't line up. Okay, you know what? I/O shields are overrated. I/O shields are for punks. I have some new components for my build. I have a brand new 650 watt power supply, probably overkill, but I'll take what I can get. I also have a 240 gigabyte SSD, which thanks to the wonders of modern technology, costs like 25 bucks.
All right, that looks.
Hey, look, test boot. I'll clean it up later, slightly. Let me.
That is. Oh, you have to jump it too.
I didn't install anything. Okay.
All right. Well, it turned on.
I have
See if it
CPU. Is my GPU spinning? It is.
Well, there you go.
Wait a minute. Is this actually gonna work?
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Are you
Yeah,
serious?
it
That
booted.
fast? What? Wait. Is this a bit of victory, perhaps? Maybe not victory, but look at that. It actually mildly works. So what exactly do you have to show for yourself? You have a SAD Xbox, I see.
I do have a SAD Xbox. This is the only one that I could find for 150 bucks. This was refurbished or
Okay.
used or some degree of not new.
Okay.
But I guess because of all the Black Friday sales, this thing came down in price a little bit.
Okay.
Granted, I
So-
think you can get one
You
of these
actually
for
can buy this
$150 right
new
now.
for $150 during Black Friday. so-
Exactly, but it is what it
So
is.
is this just your entire broke setup? Is just buying an Xbox? Like that's it? Like you
Pretty simple, yeah.
Wait, are you using Game Pass Ultimate?
I am using Game Pass.
Okay, well that's fine. I have a trick up my sleeve as well. I mean, no, nothing cheating, of course. Just purely by the book.
Well, I mean, if we're both gonna cheat now, I actually have a trick up my sleeve too, which will involve me stepping out for a bit.
You have to leave?
Just,
Why do you have to leave?
Just stay there.
What are you doing? It's okay.
No, we're fine.
What are you doing back there?
We're fine. We're fine. Nothing to see here. We're okay. Okay.
What's that?
No,
Huh?
no, it's okay.
What are you doing with the laptop, huh?
It's okay.
Is that cheating?
Look, my Xbox just runs Windows.
Are you? Are you just streaming from a laptop? Is that your master plan right now?
Look at all of these games that I can play.
You know, broke versus broke is like we're trying to test the budget. We're trying to show how we can flex on everyone with our tiny budgets. It doesn't work when you're streaming from like a super expensive gaming laptop.
Okay, well, fine. I won't do that then.
Well, what are you gonna do?
I can play Gears. Well, while we wait for my game to load, what do you have?
So this is running full Windows 10. It actually still runs everything fine. So my drivers are a little bit old. So I think the last time NVIDIA sent out a driver for the 560 Ti was like early 2018. But still, it fully supported Windows 10, 64-bit, up-to-date, everything. And I am gonna play some Rocket League on my super cool cheapo system, cheap broke system. I gotta be on brand. My broke system, high quality across the board.
Well, then again,
1080p.
Rocket League isn't like incredibly hard to run either, to be fair.
No, but I mean, this is a old system, right? Like the newest component in here is probably our GPU. That's not the right button at all.
It actually doesn't look that bad.
No, it's not bad at all, actually. 70, 80 frames per second. But hey, look, come on. For well less than $200, this is not bad. Look at that. Huh? I didn't make that, but it's fine because it's running on my PC. What? What is that? Is that 200 frames per second in Modern Warfare? Are you serious right now? I mean, are we inside? Yes. Is this just the beginning of the game? Yes. Look how smooth that is. That's pretty good. Come on, give that a try. Look, that's great, right?
Not really.
What can you possibly complain? That's amazing.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Dude, this thing costs next to nothing. This is the definition of a broke system. I get that you're trying to like say, oh, go buy an Xbox, blah, blah, blah. But this, if you are a broke gamer, find some old components, Core 2 Quad, 560 Ti, I mean, these cost next to nothing. I mean, this case, like some of the other components I could have used, like the Core 2 Duo, they're throwing out. Like, this is going to the recycler. Dude, like reduce, reuse, recycle.
Gears of War. This is very clearly a demanding game.
Do we have to play from the beginning, really?
I haven't played this before.
Great. Well, I mean, it does look great in the dark. I can see like
Look
5
up
pixels.
at Dave. Okay, hi Dave. Oh, there we go. Look, graphics.
Whoa.
Graphics.
Okay, actually,
Graphics.
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So, is your actual legitimate advice, if you're a broke gamer, is to ignore building a PC and to just buy an Xbox or a PS4 and call it a day?
Look, so this was $155. Granted, didn't come with a controller, but with a controller, I think you can get one for probably around $20, used online as well. I mean, look at all your computers.
sorry, are you
stomping
hearing-
over my lines?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is the fact that I'm running Red Dead Redemption 2 on my system distracting you? Yes, that is in fact Red Dead 2.
Okay. So, before I was rudely interrupted, I was talking about how many games there were on Game Pass.
Yes.
Look at this. Look at all of these games that I can play. Look, Rocket League. This is free. Free on Game Pass.
It's not free if you pay for the service, Ken.
Yeah, but like, okay, so why don't you show me your game over there?
Well, you turn off my monitor. Hang on, let me just.
What was that? Oh, I'm just gonna go over here and set up Stadia.
No, I'm not. Yeah, this is native. I don't know what you're talking about.
Look at that! Oh, look at that! Oh man!
Fine, you got me.
And how much did Red Dead cost? $60?
But you know what? Stadia is a perfect example of a good use for my system, right? Because I can play a lot of older games natively, and for some newer titles that don't work, I can stream them via Stadia. The moral of the story is let us know in the comments who won. If you're a broke gamer, should you buy a stupid Xbox or should you build a PC and be cool?
I think you should just get a job and have money to pay for things.
I don't really have anything to add. That's pretty rude.
It's reasonable.